Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today I am here with my first lecture of April month, spoken activities for class 4th. As you know students, we learn with fun in spoken. So today we will go to a garden with many flowers and find some words and their meanings. Yes students, these are helpful to increase our vocabulary. And I hope so you enjoy this fun. So let's start. We find our first word lake. L-A-K-E, lake. Lake mean jail. A lake is a large body of water surrounded by land. And the second word is pools. P-O-L-E-S, pools. Pools mean kutbin. A geographical pole is either of 2 points on a rotating body. Yes students, so our third word is waterfall. W-A-T-E-R, water, F-A-L-L, fall. Waterfall. Waterfall mean abshar. A fall of water is an area where water flows over a vertical drop in the course of a stream or river. Our fourth word is stream. S-T-R-E-A-M, stream. Stream means to flow out. Nadi. A stream is a steady flow of something. And fifth word is midday. M-I-D-D-A-Y, midday, dopeher, the middle of the day. And the sixth one is midnight. M-I-D-N-I-G-H-T, midnight means Adi Raat. Midnight is the transition time from one day to the next. And seventh word is sunset. S-U-N-S-E-T, sunset. Sunset means Ghurub-e Aftab, the time in the evening when the sun disappears or daylight fades. And we find our eighth word is miser. M-I-S-E-R, miser. Miser means Kanjus, a person who hoards wealth and spends as little money as possible. Ninth word is coward. C-O-W-A-R-D, coward, means buzdil, a person who is constantly lacking in the courage to do. Yes students, last one is sensible. S-E-N-S-I-B-L-E, sensible. Sensible means Kable-ehsaas, done or chosen in accordance with wisdom or prudence. I hope students you enjoyed this activity and learned some vocabulary words. Learn these words and write it in your binders. And today's message is, don't lose sight of your goal. Your countless hours of studying and sleepless nights will pay off in the end. Allah Hafiz.